This is the Apier Seagull SE cordless robotic pool cleaner. There's a reason why this is one of the best ones out there, and it's because it works and it's super easy to work. You just plug this thing in, charge this thing up, and then you set this thing in your pool. You just drop it in there, and it works for 90 minutes. It has an LED indicator, and it has self-parking, so it's ideal for above ground pools up to 860 square feet. So no more annoying cords to have to navigate around. And as soon as you drop this thing in there, watch how fast it goes. It is on a mission to clean that pool, and clean it does. It has dual drive motors, and it will track down and collect most types of dirt and debris with ease. There's 2 independent brushes to give it a deep clean, and then that pool cleaner will automatically stop near the edge of your pool when the battery is low, or when the cleaning cycle is done. And that little handle on there makes it super easy to grab it, pick it up, and carry it, and then you can plug it in and charge it up. Again, it's super easy and it works really well, and that's why it's one of the best out there. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.